Hello guys, welcome to my channel today, and in today's tutorial I'll be walking you step by step on how to get back your password. Maybe you have forgotten your Facebook password, could be your email password, your TikTok account, or any other website you have logged in but you have forgotten the password. So I'll be showing you step by step on how to get back those passwords with ease. So the first thing you have to do is that you go to settings. As you go to settings, scroll down and go to Google, the area where the arrow just pointed right now. So after that, the next thing you have to do is to tap on manage your Google account. So once you tap on manage your Google account, you scroll sideways, you scroll and you see the area where the road security, where this arrow is pointing at right now. Just tap on it. So you scroll down to the area where you see manage password. That area where you see manage password, tap on it. Boom. So once you tap on it, these are so many passwords and so many things I have logged in, so many websites I have logged in and created password for them. So all these are those all these are those accounts, all of them and their password. Once I just tap on it, it will show an icon where I will just click on icon. Once you tap on it, you make the password visible for anyone to see. So please make sure you secure your area and your settings so that no one will just go inside there and start tapping on it and getting into your account. So that is one thing. So once I click on that icon in that area there, now the password for this my 5 billionaire sales will be open and you can see it. So that is it. So that is how to see your lost password. Also for your TikTok account, you can do that for your TikTok account, both for your Facebook account and all that. So if you find this video helpful, please do well to subscribe to this channel, give the video a thumbs up and share this video. That will motivate me to create more and more interesting and topics in this channel. So see you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Bye for now.